So everything goes fine. Let's press Ctrl S and head back to our project and reload, and we can see that this is going to be the result. The paragraph tag itself is now customized right over here. So the last one in this regard is the button element that we had created. So let's head back to our text editor, and in the first case we need to customize the button element. In the first case, this is the button. So any button element that comes within the footer wrapper, we may make usage of it, or we may signify it a little bit deeper, but instead of it, I think we should be sticking to the general selector here. And here we will be now mentioning that the width, it should be 150 pixels. Next comes the height, it should be 40 pixels. The display, as we had provided a definite width and height, the display, it should be provided to block. The background color, so we will be now changing the background color here, which is RGB. Very blue. The border, there shouldn't be any border, so we are now mentioning that the border should be none, and the border radius, it should be 3 pixels. Let's press Ctrl S and let's head back to our project. This is the thing that we are seeing so far, and I think it is a little bit of displayed in the extreme left position, as we can see here. So the margin, we need to define that the margin of this element, it should be 0 auto. Press Ctrl S, head back and reload, and we can see that everything lies in the desired position where it should have been by this far. Now in the last case, we need to customize this href tag which has been created here. So as we can see that for this link element, to customize it, first of all, let's copy the entire thing here, and any href tag that comes within a button, which in turn lies within the footer wrapper element, it should be having a color of, for say, FFF. Next comes the text decoration. We do not need any kind of underline beneath it, so we will be now mentioning that the text decoration is practically none, and the text transform, it should be transformed to uppercase. So everything is done right over here. Nothing remains unordered, nothing remains disoriented. So every element is right now customized Press Ctrl S, head back to our project and reload, and we can see that everything is working as per requisition of the template. Let's have a check on it. This is the template so far. Here it goes, and the same thing, almost the same thing goes here. So this is the template. Instead of making this button element blue, we may make usage of something else, like this yellow color has been indicated into the template, but that's a definite matter of choice. I always like the blue color here for this kind of operation, where we are suggesting, we are practically giving something like a button into our template. This is practically my favorite color, blue. So this is what the template looks like in this HTML with CSS. If we just make usage of an HTML and the CSS attributes and properties into our project, but still there are some discrepancies into the template. If we press this Ctrl+Shift+M, we can see that everything practically goes beyond. Everything is disordered. This is the thing we need to take care while we are practically implementing coding to our project, to our template. So in the next case, we will be learning about how to make our site, which is made with HTML and CSS, mobile responsive. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Until then, bye.